When looking for the rate of change or slope from a table, all we have to do is find the change of y and divide it by the change of x to make our ratio. When we're looking for the change, it's basically just saying, what are we counting by? So if you see here in this first example, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Therefore, our change in y is positive 3. In the x column, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So therefore, our change in x is positive 2. These little triangles basically are just delta signs, which means change. So change of y is 3, change of x is 2, and sometimes you're going to get a griddable like the ones you see here on the bottom. And what you're going to have to do then is convert the fraction or ratio that you get and convert it into a decimal. So this one would be 1.5. So you can do the same thing when you have a horizontal table. As you can see, same thing. We're looking for the change of y over the change of x. You got to be careful in these though, because as you can see, the mistake that most people are going to make is they're going to put the change of x as the numerator in the ratio. And the reason that you're going to want to do that is because as it looks here, it looks like this is going to be your numerator and this is your denominator. But please, please, please make sure that you always put change of y over change of x, because that is how we find the slope or the rate of change. So in this one right here, and you'd probably be safer just to go ahead and start with your y row. That way you'll put that first on the top as your numerator. So as you can see right here, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So our change in y is 4, and then our change in x, as you can see, is 5. Therefore, our slope or rate of change for this horizontal table is 4/5. So you can still use the same exact strategy when you're dealing with ordered pairs, because basically that's what a table is. It's just ordered pairs. So as you can see in this first two examples here at the very top, what you're being given is a pair of ordered pairs. So what I did here is I took my first ordered pair and I plugged it into the table, 12 and 0, because this is your x, this is your y coordinate. And underneath that, I put the second ordered pair, which was 16, the x coordinate, and 12 goes in the y column because that's your y coordinate. And just like we did on the other two, we found our change of y, which was 12, and we found our change of x, which was positive 4, and 12 divided by 4, when simplified, is 3.